to see. I've been doing different things, I'm changing the weather whenever I step on the beat. Why these niggas come to me whenever they need some money to get on their feet? I had to double the bag and triple the bag, quadruple the bag and repeat. Yeah, I'm on a whole different level, I'm on a whole different league. Yeah, I'm on a whole different schedule, these niggas been bothering me.